So, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning and a very congratulations on this Buddha Purnima, May 2017. 2017 May, and Buddha Purnima, the birthday of Lord of the Lords, and who only preached non-violence for the whole world. Non-violence for the whole world. Buddha Purnima, and Lord Buddha. In China, in Japan, in most of the countries all over the world, originated from India and went all over the world, and his teachings, his preachings were appreciated and accepted. God bless you. So I'm today going to talk slightly about the eye exercises. You know, we are living in a very difficult situation now. It's very beautiful, the world now, with science and technology, but at the same time, the equipment, the TV and computers have made our life beautiful and as well as health. If we don't take care of our health, eye health, we will be doomed. Because eyes, with eyes only you can see the whole beautiful world. Without eyes, the whole world is dark. The whole world is dark for you, ladies and gentlemen, for me also. So we need to take care of the eyes. So when we are gazing at TV, and gazing, of course, day, morning till late evening, the boys and girls, and of course the old ladies also, they're gazing at TV, and these boys and girls are gazing at computers and of course the mobile. So what you need to do, you need to take care of your health.